welcome back to LoveLea Does Things. Today I will be showing you how to do the /clear command. Do you have a messy inventory after building something awesome? Well, I have that problem a lot too, so that's what the /clear command is here for. So pretty straightforward. Just go into your chat, type /clear, C-L-E-A-R, then you send it and it will clear all your blocks and items. Now note, this does clear any armor, anything you have in your offhand. So here, put some armor on for an example, and oh, nope, not there. Oh yeah, like anything in your offhand, like a shield. I'm gonna put a shield here, and yes, same thing again, /CLEAR, and it cleared all my armor and anything in my offhand. So pretty straightforward. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments or any other tutorials you'd like me to do. Also, subscribe and like the video for the little pig. All right, always remember, love others as yourself and stay lovely.